Hello everyone, my name is Michaela and welcome to Michaela DIY. So I just bought a house and technically it is my second house, but it is the first house that I have purchased on my own. Now mind you, it is a very modest house. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with just over 1,000 square feet. And even though I did see a ton of other homes that were bigger as far as square footage or had a 3rd or 4th bedroom and even were more updated and things, I don't know, there's just something really charming and very cozy about this house that I couldn't just pass it up. So here we are. I just closed on Friday. Today is now Monday, and I wanted to go ahead and document an empty house tour for those of you in the future who will be interested in seeing what the house looked like before I actually started doing all of my DIY home improvement projects and whatnot. In a nutshell, that is what this channel will be about. Just me sharing my experiences as a new homeowner and documenting all the progress that I make as I take on a bunch of DIY home projects. So if that sounds like something interesting to you, I have a ton of projects already planned out, so be sure to subscribe and be on the lookout for future videos. With that being said, let's get into the empty house tour. All right, so walking in, you come into the living room. All this stuff right here is stuff that I just bought over the weekend to initiate the first round of DIY projects. Here is the closet, I guess like a coat closet, and it's actually pretty deep. It goes in pretty far back. Here is my brick fireplace. I'm really excited because it's a wood burning fireplace. In my last house, I had a gas fireplace and I never actually used it. I don't even think we got the gas turned on for it. So I'm really excited because I actually have somebody coming to clean it tomorrow, I believe. And I'm definitely gonna be using this during the winter time. Next, we have these 2 big windows, which I really like because this house brings in a lot of natural lighting. All right, y'all, let's talk about the kitchen. So the kitchen, as you can see right here, we've got water damage that came from the dishwasher under the sink. Basically, the bottom part is rotted out, which is on the whole section is gonna go anyway. So I'm pretty much going to be without a kitchen sink for a while. Now you can see the oven range, how it has these 2 pieces right here because the range is actually smaller than the actual section to put it in. So normal ranges are about 30 inches. So I'm assuming that's about a 24 inch. And here's the pantry. Now, I'm not a huge fan of it, to be honest. It's definitely bigger than what I've got now. So I'm used to not having a real pantry. And like, I'm not a fan of this situation where you kind of have it going back there into Narnia. Not cool for me. Basically, the whole kitchen is gonna get gutted, specifically starting with this section right here since there is mold under the sink. And I'm also pretty sure, I'm just gonna go ahead and say that it has, the water damage has probably affected the drywall behind the cabinets. So I'm already anticipating having to replace that as well. All right, so coming back in here, we have the first bathroom is a tub shower combo, pretty standard. It's got the lovely seashell sink and the mirror. And I do like that this bathroom has its own window. So I have 2 closets in the hallway. However, one has the HVAC, one has the water heater. So I'm definitely gonna have to get very creative in terms of extra storage space. So if you have any ideas or tips on how I can create some space, I would definitely much appreciate it. Leave me a comment down below. Here is my laundry room, which is actually really big, but it's kind of got some storage in here. So that actually works out as far as like linens and things go. That's a garage door. So coming into the first bedroom, which is going to be my daughter's bedroom. This is actually a pretty big space. It's actually bigger than the room that she's got now. Here's a closet. So I'm actually really excited about personalizing this and making it her own. So I'm moving into the primary bedroom, which is going to be my room. And honestly, I feel like this room has the best natural lighting out of all of the rooms in the house. Here is the closet, which is actually pretty big. I do think I want to kind of make some shelving or something in here to optimize the space better. Again, y'all let me know because I am limited on storage space in here. I mean, granted, I don't have a ton of clothes, but I do want to maximize it if I can. And here is the bathroom. Again, tub shower combo, cute, small, not a whole lot going on. So yeah, this is what I'm really looking forward to, is having an actual bathroom, just because the one that I have now, like half of it is in my bedroom, and I'm sick of it at this point. Also, if you couldn't tell, it's super echoey in here because there is absolutely no carpet in this house, which is a big selling factor point for me. I'm not sure how I feel about the tile, but I don't know. I mean, it works for now. I don't plan on taking it up just yet, but I don't know, maybe hardwood floors, maybe concrete floors. I really do like concrete floors. So I hope you enjoy this empty house tour. I just honestly really looking forward to making this place my own and just taking on a bunch of DIY home projects, because that's something that's been on my bucket list for many years now, and it's here. Like, I'm finally actually doing it. Now I know it won't be easy, but I'm just really looking forward to the journey. So if you care to follow along, be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on notifications to get notified about future uploads. All right, y'all, I'll catch you in the next video.